D'Artagnan lifted Leroy onto his back and carried him to and from every match, on and off every, into and out of every gym, all season long. At more than 170 pounds, Leroy was not a light load. D'Artagnan never cared, and the carry never stopped. Based on Lee's lines from the text, you can characterize D'Artagnan as trusting of Leroy, burdened by having to help Leroy, committed to Leroy and their friendship, irritated about having to carry Leroy. Number 15. What does the relationship that D'Artagnan has with his father tell you about D'Artagnan's personality? That D'Artagnan would pick someone else up was no surprise. He learned to carry a father before he ever carried a friend. He made a lot of mistakes in the past, and he's learned from them, D'Artagnan said. It's made our bond stronger than I could fathom. He's a great father. He has difficulty moving on and letting things go. He is very compassionate and forgiving. He felt helpless when he had to take care of himself as his dad struggled with addiction, or he was eager to do well in school so that he could move away from his dad eventually. Okay, after you've done with that, make sure to hit submit, and I hope that you guys do a great job. Bye.